Hello everyone, in front of me is iPad Air 11 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, click add new wallpaper, and now select the one that you want to apply. You can choose one from your own photos, you can create photo shuffle, select live photo, emoji wallpaper, weather wallpaper, astronomy or color wallpaper. However you prefer. Let me choose, for example, this one and click on add. So now you can either stay with same picture on both home and lock screen, or you can customize your home screen here. So you can add color, gradient or blur the photo, however you prefer, but I would like to leave it this way. So just mark done, and that's it. As you can see, new wallpaper is set. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.